So let's talk about what it takes to reach the rank of diamond. Diamond is what we would consider our first leadership rank here. We've got well over 500 diamonds now in the company and close to 100 diamonds now in our organization over the last 9 months. And I want to show you the numbers of what it takes to go diamond. So every one of the ranks in our company are based on what we just talked about. Total volume in your pay leg. So diamond is 10,000 points on the left and 10,000 points on the right in a 1-week pay cycle. So that's diamond, 10,000 points on the left and 10,000 points on the right. Now I'm going to show you what it takes to get that done. We're going to break this all the way down to the daily numbers. So hang on with me here. But right now I just want to give you an understanding of what this really means. 10,000 points on the left and 10,000 points on the right equals diamond. Well, 20% of $10,000 is $2,000. That means that if you qualify diamond, your income that week is $2,000 or more in the binary. Minimum of $2,000 because you had to hit the 10,000 mark. So if you're qualifying diamond every single week, you're earning a minimum of $2,000 a week just in the binary. Now remember, on top of that, we also have the car bonus. So you earn another $1,000 in the car bonus. And you also have the check matching bonuses. So if you're a diamond and you're qualified diamond, every single week, consistently qualified diamond, you can count on $10,000 per week in the compensation plan as a qualified diamond. Hang on a second here. I'm going to plug my my pad in because I just got a low battery signal. All right, we're charging. So $10,000 a month if you're qualified diamond. Now, this is just what the compensation plan pays for the minimum volume requirement of being a diamond. But what I want to do right now is I want to take it to the next level, because it's one thing to say, okay, here's what you make if you do this. But what I want to really show you is what does it take? What does it really take? What does it really look like to actually do that? So let's delete some room, give myself some room here to draw. All right, good enough. So here's what we're going to do. So 10,000 points. So let's talk about 10,000 points. So most people, the most popular pack is the family pack. And we know that the family pack is worth 550 points. So let's divide 10,000 by 550. And if you do the math, if you divide 10,000 points by 550 points, so that's one, for a pack, it comes out to 18 family packs. So what you really need to go diamond is 18 family packs, because it's a binary. You need 10,000 points on the left and the right. 18 family packs to get to those 10,000 points. So what does that look like on a daily basis? Well, let's take those 18 family packs that you would need for the week, and let's divide that by the 7 days in a week. So if you divide 18 by 7, it actually comes out to 2.6. And we're going to call that 2 to 3. You need to average 2 to 3 family packs a day in your entire team, left team and your entire right team, 2 to 3 family packs a day to get you to those 10,000 points. So that's a good marker to look at. What that means is, let's say that you had 18 people on your team who signed up 1 family pack a week. Well, that's 18 family packs a week. Break it down to the daily activity. It's 2 to 3 family packs every single day that are being referred through your business. That's going to get you to diamond. So the key to this is, as you're building a team, you want to have people in your organization who are sharing the videos, inviting people to the webinars, posting on social media. And as you start to build a team, you're going to have people that John may enroll someone today, Mary may enroll someone tomorrow, and you're going to have different people in your group that are marketing the helo. And every time that helo is sold, The volume adds up. Now, I'm going to share something with you on this that I think you're going to love as it relates to Diamond. So if you remember earlier in the presentation, we talked about becoming a team developer. A team developer. A team developer meant that you enroll 2 people. By the way, when you enroll 2 people, we call that a team builder. And then you help those 2 people enroll 2 people. So take a look at this a second. Let's say, for example, that this person was a family pack. 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 And this person was a family pack. So if you have John on your team, let's say you enroll John, and you help John go team developer this week. John has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 family packs. How many family packs do you need that week to go diamond in that leg? 18. So if you have 6 family packs for 1 team developer, all you need is 3 team developers on the left that week and 3 team developers on the right that week to equal the 18 packs. So that's another way to look at it. Is you're helping people reach the rank of team developer, then you're also setting yourself up for that rank of diamond as well. We found is this is what Nat and Shanita taught us, and this is what we teach our entire team. If you want to really secure diamond in this business, really secure diamond, here's what you want. You want 5 team developers on the left, and you want 5 team developers on the right that you personally enroll. 5 team developers on the left, 5 team developers on the right. That's going to give you the structure and the momentum for diamond. Now, this is very, very important because a lot of times people focus on volume, and what we teach, the reason we're creating so many diamonds is we're not focusing on volume. We're focusing on structure. 5 team developers left and 5 team developers on the right. And that's going to take you to create the structure for diamond. Again, what is a team developer? A team developer is someone who enrolls 2 people and helps those 2 people enroll 2 people. That's the structure for team developer. If you help 10 people do this, 10 people do this, 5 on the left and 5 on the right, go team developer. That's going to set you up for diamond, $10,000 a month in income. Now, I'm a big believer in keeping it real. And so right now, this is my reality check talk for everybody that's watching tonight. You're not going to enroll 10 people and have 10 team developers. It's just not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Here's the numbers. If you want to have 3 to 5 team developers on the left, and you want to have 3 to 5 team developers on the right, here's the numbers. You've got to enroll 20 people on the left, and you've got to enroll 20 people on the right personally. Now, I don't mean 20 customers. I'm just going to keep it real. We're talking about a $100,000 a year or more income. We're talking about $10,000 or more a month. And now I'm going to tell you what it takes to earn that. What it takes to earn that income. And so we're going to keep it real. There's a price to pay. There's a journey to go on, and you're going to have to produce these numbers in order to get these results. There's no way around it. And if I tell you anything less than that, then I'm not telling you the truth, and I'm actually going to keep you from having success because I'm not telling you what it really takes to succeed. Now, here's what's exciting. You can knock out 2020 really fast in this business if you follow our system. But here's what happens. Out of 20 people on the left, typically 8 to 12 of them, 8 to 12, so somewhere between 40 to 60% of the people of those 20 people that you enroll are going to do what? Guys, feel free to type it in the chat box, type it on Facebook Live. Out of 20 of the people that you enroll, these are people that say, I want to make money. These are people that say, Jeremy, I'm all in. These are people that sign up, they get excited, they make a list of names, they go, let's go crush this thing. I'll be your next $1 million income earner. 8 to 12 out of the 20 will do absolutely nothing. Now, they'll love the device, they'll wear the device, they'll share it with their family. You know, some may show up and hang out at events, but as far as building the business, 8 to 12 will do absolutely nothing. And don't be discouraged by that. That's the number. That's the typical numbers too of people that buy gym memberships. 40 to 60% of people that buy a gym membership never commit to the routine and the discipline of actually going to the gym. So don't feel like, oh, you're doing something wrong as a leader or whatever. Now, here's a big mistake that people make in our business. The big mistake that people make in our business is they don't know these numbers. So when somebody signs up and they get excited and then they don't do anything, or they promise the world and they never do what they say they're going to do, or whatever it is, they kid in, then they quit the business, whatever it is. Most people let that person's failure become their belief system. That's what successful people never look to the masses to make their own opinion. Successful people never look at the opinion of the masses and say, I'm going to think the way they think. Successful people understand that, look, 40 to 60% of people are going to do nothing. So when somebody shows up and signs up and does nothing, that means I'm on my way to being successful. I've just got to find more people. So 8 to 12 will do nothing. And then out of that group, you're going to see, you know, sometimes anywhere from 4 to 6. Some say 3 to 5, 4 to 6. I think with this business, it comes out to about 4 to 6. You're going to see 4 to 6 that do a little bit. Now, I love our little bidders. We got a lot of little bidders out there, and they're fun, and we have a great time, and they're part of the family, they're part of the team, and they're making some extra money, and it's awesome, and they love the vibe, and they're growing, and they're reading, and they're plugged in. That's fantastic. You want that. Large percentage of your business will come from a lot of people doing a little bit. So out of the 20, you'll have 4 to 6 that will do a little bit. And then what will happen is out of the 20, you'll have 4 to 6 that will really plug in. And typically, these ones here that plug in are the ones that become your team developers. These 4 to 6 right here become your team developers. So these are the numbers. You enroll 20 people on the left and 20 people on the right to say, I want to make money with this. 4 to 6 of them are going to really plug in. They're going to plug into the system. They're going to grow. They're going to build this thing and really do the deal. And those 4 to 6 people will typically become your team developers. Now, typically what will happen is out of those 4 to 6, 1 to 2 of them will really take off with this and really build it big. So 4 to 6 will go team developer. They may go silver or gold or platinum. They may, build it. They'll make some money. They're going to have some mild success. They're plugged in. They're excited. That's awesome. But typically 1 to 2 of them will really go all the way in and go all the way through and become leaders within your organization. So what happens if you enroll 20 on your left and 20 on the right, you're going to end up with 4 to 6 team developers. You're going to end up with 1 or 2 people really committed to becoming leaders. And what that's going to do is help you go diamond and get to $10,000 per month in income. Now, for those that are thinking big, I'm going to show you in a moment the $50,000 and beyond plan. But for those of you that are thinking big, you say, I want to get to $10,000 a month, not now, right now. The key to this is speed. The faster you build, the more momentum you create. The faster you build, the more momentum you create. People say, well, what do you mean the faster I build? What does that mean? Well, step 1 to building is sharing the 2-minute video. So you go set up your hilo.life page, start sending out that link, sharing it on social media, calling your friends, and getting everyone that you can in your network to go watch that 2-minute video, follow up with them. If they want more information, which many of them will, invite them to a webinar. And they can register for a webinar right from your page. We've got multiple webinars happening every day that they can register for. Get with your upline diamond or above. Some of you may want to host a private launch webinar. You may have a leader that you're working with in your upline and you want to do a private launch webinar. But now again, the secret is fast. So let's say you got two people that both get started tonight. Person A says, all right, I'm going to make a list of names and I'm going to talk to everybody I know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to 2 people every day, and I'm going to talk to 2 people a day for the next 50 days. And that person goes out and they talk to 2 people a day for the next 50 days. So 50 days later, they've talked to a total of 100 people. Person B says almost the same thing. They say, you know what? I'm going to make my list and I'm going to talk to 100 people. But they say instead of contacting 100 people over the next 50 days, 2 a day, I'm going to talk to 50 people today and 50 people tomorrow. And I'm going to carve some time out and I'm going to set my schedule aside and I'm going to text message some friends and I'm going to send out messages on Facebook and I'm going to put a post here and I'm going to call my closest friends and business partners and I'm going to, for 2 days, I'm going to talk to every person on my list and my goal is to contact 100 people. Talked to a young lady tonight that's launching her business. She said, I set a goal that I'm going to get 1,000 eyeballs on that 2-minute video over the next 90 days. I'm going to get 1,000 people to watch that video over the next 90 days. I said, well, that'll do it. You get 1,000 people to watch that 2-minute video over the next 90 days, and you follow up with those people and get them plugged into more information, you will be done for the rest of your life. You'll be retired. You will be financially free. And the key is she's going to do it in 90 days. If she took 9 years to do it, she would never get momentum. The key is to compress the time frames and do it fast. So my challenge to those of you that say, I want to get to the top of this thing as fast as possible. I want to go as far as I can go. I want to make as much money as I can make. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a race right now with that 2-minute video. How many people can you get in front of the 2-minute video, follow up, get them on a webinar, introduce them to your diamonds and above, get them plugged in to the system. But guys, these are the numbers: 20 on the left, 20 on the right. 8 to 12 will do nothing. 4 to 6 will do a little bit. 4 to 6 will plug in. And from those 4 to 6 that plug in, you will have that structure for diamond. Now, let's talk about what it takes to go from this $10,000 mark to the $50,000 mark in the compensation plan. $50,000 a month, you guys, is the rank of president. President means that your left team is doing 50,000 points a week and your right team is doing 50,000 points a week. Now you think, man, that seems like a big number, 50,000 points a week. But let me make this really simple for you. If you have 2 to 3 diamonds on the left and 2 to 3 diamonds on the right, you're president. Qualified diamonds. 2 to 3 people that are qualified diamonds, you are at $50,000 a month in income. Just in the binary alone, a qualified president will make a minimum of $10,000 per week. 20% of 50,000 points equals $10,000 per week, just in the binary alone, you guys. Just in the binary alone. Not counting check matches, not counting, if you do 60 or 70,000 that week in volume, it's, obviously it's additional. But a president with the check matching bonuses is going to make $50,000 per month as a president. How do you do it? 2 to 3 diamonds on the left and 2 to 3 diamonds on the right. That's the name of the game. That's going to get you to president. Now, how do you go to the president millionaire rank where you're at $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 a month? Same scenario. You develop 2 to 3 presidents on the left. You develop 2 to 3 presidents on the right. And that's going to help you secure president millionaire volume, which will put you into the millions of dollars a year in income. So practicality dictates that everyone's results will vary as we are all unique and different. Basically, it takes hard work and dedication to make a substantial income in this business. Some people will make no money at all. The earnings of a World Global Network partner will be 100% dependent upon their skills, work effort, commitment, leadership capabilities, and market conditions. Common sense would suggest that in most opportunities, one would find exceptional individuals performing well above average while others perform under the average. A World Global Network does not guarantee any level of income or your success. To see our full income disclosure, please visit our website at worldgn.com.